Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of categories not found in on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve categories not found in on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on AliExpress and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.